Welcome back, violinists. So today we're going to do Amazing Grace, beautiful, beautiful piece. So let's do our usual analysis that we always do. So we're in the treble clef, then we got F sharp. So all the Fs are going to be sharp, so watch out. So if you've got an F here, it's going to be as such on the D string. If you've got an F on the E string, it's going to be as such, okay? This is F natural. We want our first finger here, okay? In terms of then the time signature, we have 3/4. What does that mean? That means 3 crotchets in every bar. The next question is, do we have quavers? Yes, we have quavers in this piece, don't we? Okay, so if we have quavers, it's much easier to double the counting. So instead of 3 crotchets, we're going to count 6 quavers in every bar, which is exactly the same thing, okay? 6 quavers in every bar. So we're going to put the metronome at 100 and we're going to hear 6 clicks, okay, in every bar. As much as possible, try to do the quavers at the point and at the frog, or just distribute them in the lower half and the upper half. And yeah, the last note has also got a little crown called also the eagle's eye in some gypsy books. So it just means that last note, make it fade away and make it a little bit longer as the sound disappears, okay? I think we're ready to go. We'll do a little count in.